How to open Revolut account or how to sign up on Revolut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign up for Revolut account. Now here I'll be showing you on the browser, and the process is similar on the app itself. If you are on the app, all you have to do is open up the app, and there you'll get the login or sign up option. You want to simply tap on sign up option and you want to create a new account. Now here in your browser, what you want to do is you want to head into revolut.com and you'll get an interface like this. Now simply tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and at the bottom you'll be able to see two different options, login and sign up. Simply tap on sign up option and it should prompt you to the sign up page. Now in my case, it's taking me back to the Revolut application. Here it's prompting me to download it, so I'll just install it. But here all you have to do is simply head into the sign up option, and once on sign up option it'll ask you for particular details such as your name and numbers and such, and once you go through the verification process you'll be able to easily sign up to the account. So this way you can sign up to Revolut account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.